Welcome to Adventurous A. Rising from the foothills west of Denver, Red Rocks Park and Amphitheater is one of the most spectacular natural concert venues in the world. Towering red sandstone formations surround a natural amphitheater carved by millions of years of geological forces. The amphitheater sits at an elevation of about 6,400 feet, or 1,966 meters. These massive sandstone slabs were originally ancient sand dunes and sediment layers. Over time, tectonic forces lifted and tilted the rocks into their striking vertical position. Erosion then sculpted the landscape, leaving behind the iconic formations that define Red Rocks today. Located near the town of Morrison, Colorado, the park sits at the transition between the Great Plains and the Rocky Mountains. The dramatic red rocks seen here were formed more than 250 million years ago. In the early 1900s, the city of Denver began developing the site as a public park. The amphitheater, as we see it today, was constructed in the 1930s during the Great Depression. Much of the work was completed by the Civilian Conservation Corps. Two enormous rock monoliths frame the stage. To the south stands Shiprock, and to the north is Creation Rock. Together, they create a natural acoustic environment that musicians and visitors considered one of the best outdoor venues on Earth. Red Rocks Park covers over 600 acres of protected land. The park includes hiking trails, scenic overlooks, and unique geological formations. Wildlife such as mule deer, foxes, and hawks are commonly seen in this area. Visitors come not only for concerts but also for hiking, photography, and sunrise and sunset views. The first official concert at Red Rocks took place in 1906. Since then, the venue has hosted thousands of legendary performances. Artists from around the world consider Red Rocks a bucket list venue because of its incredible natural acoustics and stunning setting. Many famous live albums and concert films have been recorded here. Long before concerts were held here, this area was used by Native American tribes for ceremonies and gatherings. When concerts are not scheduled, the amphitheater becomes a popular spot for workouts. Locals run the steep rows of seating or practice yoga in the open air. The combination of dramatic scenery and high elevation makes it one of the most unique fitness locations anywhere. Today, Red Rocks remains one of Colorado's most iconic landmarks. Blending natural geology, cultural history, and world-class music performances, it continues to draw visitors from around the world. Whether from the stage, the seats, or the sky above, the view of Red Rocks is unforgettable. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and joining future adventures. Until next time, thanks for watching.